In this lesson, we are going to look at measuring mass. To make this lesson fun and exciting, we are going to follow a recipe. We use a scale to measure the mass of an object or substance. Some scales are used to measure the mass of a person, while others are used to measure the mass of ingredients when cooking or baking. Supermarkets use scales to measure the mass of goods for sale, such as meat, fruit, and vegetables. Some scales are especially designed to measure really heavy objects. We measure mass in grams, kilograms, or tons. 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. 1 ton is the same as 1,000 kilograms. Siyabonga goes on a diet and starts an exercise program. His starting mass is 105 kilograms. After 3 months of eating healthily and exercising regularly, his mass has dropped to 91 kilograms. How much has his body mass changed? This is another way of asking how much body mass he has lost. All we need to do is subtract his mass after 3 months from his mass at the start of the 3 months. 105 kilograms minus 91 kilograms is equal to 14 kilograms. So Siyabonga lost 14 kilograms. Now let's turn our attention to another way in which we use mass measurements quite often. We are going to look at how we often use mass in the kitchen. Ever heard of spaghetti carbonara? This is an easy to make pasta dish which really tastes very good. Let's look at the ingredients. The recipe is for 4 people and needs the following ingredients: 500 grams of uncooked spaghetti, half a teaspoon of olive oil, 250 grams of diced bacon, half a cup of cream, 2 egg yolks, 100 grams of grated cheese, and salt and freshly ground black pepper. To make the recipe, we need to carry out a number of measurements first. We will use a kitchen scale to measure the mass of the spaghetti, bacon, and cheese. But of course, we will need a measuring jug with milliliter markings to measure the liquid ingredients. We will also need to convert the cup and tablespoon measurements first. To convert the half a tablespoon of olive oil to milliliters, we use the fact that 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 milliliters. Therefore, half of 15 is 7,5 milliliters. 1 cup is equal to 250 milliliters. Therefore, half a cup of cream is the same as 125 milliliters of cream. Let's calculate what it would cost to buy the bacon and pasta for this dish. If your local supermarket charges 75 Rand per kilogram for bacon and 18 Rand 50 per kilogram for pasta, the cost of the bacon will be 250 grams multiplied by 75 Rand per kilogram. But remember, we need to convert 250 grams to 0,25 kilograms. The answer is therefore 18 Rand and 75 cents. The cost of the pasta will be 500 grams multiplied by 18 Rand 50 per kilogram. First, remember to convert 500 grams to 0,5 kilograms. The answer will thus be 9 Rand and 25 cents. We need to measure out the ingredients before we begin cooking. Let's start by weighing 500 grams spaghetti on a kitchen scale. Now we will weigh 250 grams of bacon. And let's see how much cheese we need to make up 100 grams. Hope you have learned a lot today.